Today we are making Chicken Manchurian. For our ingredients, we have boneless chicken, oil, bell pepper, onions, sesame seeds, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, white pepper, 1 egg, corn flour, ginger, garlic paste, 1 chicken stock cube, 2 cups of water, and some salt. The first thing I'm going to do is marinate my chicken. So I'm going to add my egg, my white pepper, vinegar, salt, and now my ginger and garlic paste. And here I'm going to add in my cornstarch. We're going to mix all these ingredients together and make sure that it covers the chicken. Marinate our chicken for at least 30 minutes before we cook it. Now that my chicken is done marinating, I'm going to heat up some oil for deep frying. Then I'm going to start to drop my chicken pieces in. We're going to fry on medium heat till cook through. And then we're going to remove our chicken from our hot oil. And I'm going to place it on a paper towel. Once we are done frying our chicken, we're going to heat up our oil in a pan and we're going to saute our bell pepper and our onions, and then we're going to add in our garlic. And we're going to saute this anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to start to pour in our sauce ingredients. Here I'm adding in my brown sugar, my soy sauce, vinegar, and we're going to mix that up. Now I'm adding in my sesame seed oil, some salt, and here I'm adding in my ketchup. We're going to mix those ingredients up. You want to make sure that your sugar has dissolved into your mixture before moving on to your next step, which we're going to add a little bit of chicken broth. And then I'm going to add in my cornstarch slurry to start to thicken up my sauce. Then I'm going to resume to add in my chicken pieces into my sauce once it has thickened up to my liking. Now we're going to give our chicken a good toss and we're going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes. You want to turn off the heat. You can serve this Chicken Manchurian with fried rice and noodles. So we're just tossing our chicken and our sauce really well, making sure that we're covering our chicken. Let me tell you, this is a nice, delicious dish. We're going to add in our green onions that we chopped up, and we're going to serve it. And here I'm plating it, and I'm showing you how delicious this Chicken Manchurian is. We're going to top it with some toasted sesame seeds, and that is it. So today we made Chicken Manchurian. We tossed some fried chicken pieces into our sweet and savory sauce. And here I topped it with some toasted sesame seeds. Today we made Chicken Manchurian. This dish was so delicious. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.